Welcome again. In the previous sessions, we have talked about the introduction to cell and the types of cells. When we discussed types of cells, we talked about the prokaryotic and the eukaryotic cells. As we said, we'll be discussing these separately. So under prokaryotic, you predominantly have the bacteria. So you have the gram positive and the gram negative that we would be discussing. And under eukaryotic, you have the plant cells and the animal cells. So today's lecture, we would focus on the differences between the plant cell and the animal cell. Now, to understand this better, we have a diagram for the animal cell here and a plant cell. Now, what we would be looking forward is the differences between the animal cell as well as the plant cell. So, to make this simple, what we are doing is we will first look into the items that are present in the plant cell and absent in the animal cell, and then we will see what is present in the animal cell. So, you have the plant cell and the animal cell. So let's say what is present in the plant cell. Plant cell has cell wall. Now this cell wall is absent in animal cell. Now what are the benefits of the cell wall? The cell wall gives it a rigid structure. So it has a kind of definite shape which does not exist in animal cell. Again, with the help of cell wall, even if the plant cell is put into a hypotonic solution, what would happen? It would not burst. However, if animal cell is put into a hypotonic solution, it would burst. So that is one of the basic differences. Then you have plastids which are present in plant cell but absent in animal cell. You have glyoxysomes. These are present in the plant cell and absent in the animal cell. Since plant cell has the capability to produce all the material for itself, which the animal cell does not have, animal cell cannot produce its amino acid, fatty acid by itself. So plant cell is making its own food, and to make its own food, it has chlorophyll which is present in chloroplast. So this chloroplast is present in plant cell but absent in animal cell. Now what is again a major difference here? The plant cell do not have centrioles. So centriole is absent here and present in the animal cell. Since there is no centriole, there is no spindle apparatus that would be formed, and we call it as anestral. However, we call this as amphiestral. So animal cell has the spindle apparatus and it would be amphiestral. However, plant cell does not have the spindle apparatus and we call it as anestral. That is again a major difference. Now, two important constituents, lysosomes and mitochondria, are rarely present in case of plant cell, but they are abundant in case of animal cell. Now again, an important difference is plant cell has a large central vacuole and animal cell has small vacuoles which are scattered and dispersed. Now what would happen due to the presence of a large central vacuole? The nucleus would be shifted towards the periphery. However, animal cell has the nucleus towards the center and a plant cell has a nucleus towards the periphery. Again, when it is shifting the nucleus towards the periphery, the shape gets distorted and a plant cell nucleus would be more elliptical in nature as compared to animal cell nucleus, which is predominantly circular. When we talked about mitosis and meiosis, we talked about the process of cytokinesis. Under cytokinesis, we saw that in case of plant cell, the method of cytokinesis is cell plate method. In case of animal cells, it is cleavage method. Again, ingestion takes place by phagocytosis in case of animal cells. However, there is no ingestion by phagocytosis in case of plant cells. The Golgi apparatus that is present is in form of dictosomes in case of the plant cells. However, in case of animal cell, Golgi body is considered as a single mass or it occurs in a singular fashion. So these are the major differences that we have between the plant cell and the animal cell. In the next lectures we would be focusing on the various organelles of the cell in detail. So we would focus on, we will take separate sessions on cell wall, plasma membrane and the various organelles. You can subscribe to our channel for further updates. Have a good day ahead.